ET Bengal Corporate Award is a special event which we have organized today and is a maiden effort in our state. It will go a long way in inspiring the younger generations, and they will set new benchmarks for excellence in their lives. The intention of creating the nature and categories of awards for today's event is the realization of the need to salute the achievers at all the levels, not only because they create wealth, but because in their own way they have been working for a beneficial impact on our society at large.
Dr. Ranjan Das, who's the representative from IIM Calcutta this evening, and he's going to take you through the nitty-gritties of the procedures that have been followed today to come up with the final award winners. So may I ask Dr. Das to kindly join me on the podium?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. To start with, there are in all 11 categories of award that the jury considered. And let me tell you what are these 11. First of all, there's an overall excellence in performance. We have divided into two parts: companies or entities which are more than 10 years old and the entities which are less than 10 years old. The organizing committee decided to award also for special excellence in 5 areas: corporate social responsibility, innovation in business model, new product and process development, excellence in that, the environment-friendly business practices, and the area of corporate governance. All 5 are very important areas. For the overall excellence category, in which we are going to give 6 awards, there were 10 performance metrics. Each of these performance metrics were given and weight totaling 100. Standard financial indicators like CAGR, earnings before interest and tax, and return on capital employed constituted only 70%. The remaining 30%, we spent special attention on the 5 areas: CSR, the innovation in business model, the development in new product and new process, the environmental friendly practices, and corporate governance. These 5 accounted for 30%. Jury made sure one particular point, that we evaluate people on relative performance. Based on the data obtained, the jury selected the winners under all the 11 categories. The names of the companies who won the awards will be presented immediately after my presentation. My heartiest congratulations to the Chief Executive Officer, the top team, the management and non-management staff of these companies for winning the award. Thank you very much.
Now for the next category, which is existing large corporates. The first subdivision here is for a turnover of less than 300 crores. The nominees are
existing large corporate with a turnover of less than 300 crore rupees. And the nominees are Indus Net Technologies, Ideal Resources,
Indus Net Technologies,